How are you all? So this was a big weekend, and we had 15th August, and now next weekend is also Ganesh Chaturthi. So all festivals are coming up, and we all are here again today to paint. So we are going to draw today. We are going to do art appreciation of Van Gogh. Yeah, so let me say hi to all of you so till other people are coming. Yes. So hello Suman Chawla, and how are you all? Hi Sparsh. So today we are going to do art appreciation of Van Gogh, my favorite artist, and he used to paint with Impressionism. And for those who are new, I am Shefali, art teacher, teaching art since 1988 from last 32 years, and we are going to do Impressionism. This is the painting with what we are going to do. This is Impressionism. With small strokes we have created the painting. So all of you be ready with your material. So you need today acrylic paints. Especially you need lemon yellow, deep yellow, orange, you need ochre yellow. So shades of yellow you need white color, you need green color, you need brown and blue. And you need earbuds. See, if you are going to draw a bigger, you have to draw big. If you are kids, kids under 10 years or 12 years, they can draw a bigger drawing, which I will show, and adults and older kids can draw smaller one, and then they can use the thin brush. The thin brush they can use, and the older kids can use, younger kids can use earbuds to do the Impressionism. And we have Akriti today with us. Today she has a break, so she is here with us. Thank you, Akriti. Let's start. Let me say hi to all of you. Hi Kiana, how are you? No ochre, no worries. So here we don't want all colors compulsorily. I'll show you the simplest method which you can create your painting. So B Joel is telling me no ochre, so no worries, don't worry. Hi Jill, how are you? Nice to see you here, Jill Dholakia. And Parul Shroff has also joined. So let's start. We will not waste our time. Just while switch on one second. Yes, now we are all ready to create. Okay, so let's start the drawing. So you all have to hold your page vertical. Okay, so we'll start page vertical, and we will draw few sunflowers. So in Van Gogh's painting, who was Van Gogh? He was a Dutch painter, and he was Impressionist, and his paintings Starry Night and Sunflower is very, very famous. And he used to do strokes for his painting. He started this Impressionism, he inspired by Monet, artist Monet, who started, because in the olden times there was no modern art, there was no abstract art. As I told you about abstract art in one of my sessions, that artist Kandinsky started abstract art. But Van Gogh, the Monet, who started losing his vision, and he used to see everything blurred. So he started painting blurred, and then it looked like impression. So the Impressionism came into the painting style, and artist Van Gogh followed his style. So let's start with the drawing first. So all of you are here and you all are with your material. So first of all, hold your page vertical. We are drawing first sunflowers. So we are going to draw first sunflowers because I am doing art appreciation of sunflower. So you can come closer. Yeah. So we are going to draw a circle in the center of the page. One circle in the center of the page. All of you can start with me, and the bigger circle around that circle. Around the circle, the bigger circle. Then all of you can draw another circle like oval. You can make like O. Make O, and that again make one more O. One O, inside that I make one more O. This is not the right line. Now here we'll make the half circle, whatever we can see here, and this. So we are making 3 sunflowers. In artist Van Gogh's painting, there are 12 sunflowers. Here making we are. So first one circle, around that another circle, O, one more O. This is the half circle. After this, we can draw the shape of a vase. You can draw any shape you like. So here we can draw a shape. The line, curved line, and coming down. We can make more sunflower here also. Another direction. I hope you can see, because these are guidelines, because these are not the sunflower. We are going to make it, so I am making it little darker for all of you so you can see. So after this we can make sun around the circle. We can make sun around the circle. After making sun, you can go out and come inside. So we can create some petals. So here we are creating. So here it is overlapping. So I am not making here. So we are done with one sunflower. Here again the sun rays will be from inside out, and again we can make sunflowers. Now here one more. After making sun, and this way it will go a little down. This is the folded. You can see Van Gogh's painting of sunflower. It is totally different. The sunflowers are different, but we are taking an inspiration and we are creating our own sunflower. And here again we'll make sun. And create your sunflowers. So these circles are for the guideline, so it is not important for us, because we have created, because we can draw all the petals evenly. After this we can erase our circle if we want. If you are doing on the canvas, you can't erase it, so don't worry about it, forget about it. It won't be seen when you will paint. I am using 100% cotton paper, watercolor paper. Every time I use cartridge paper, but this time I thought let me use this. So I am erasing all the circles which I have created for the guidelines, so I can create overlapping part properly. So here in between also we can create some petals if we wish. And here I am creating, if you see the sunflower, behind sunflower you can see the green leaves. So that I am just creating randomly, and I am creating 2-3 leaves. So wherever you wish you can create some leaves, green leaves. So to understand these are the leaves, we can make one center line. And this side also it is coming down. So we are done with our drawing. So let's start with the paints. I forgot my palette. I'll get my paper plates. Till then you all can draw. So I bought my paper plate. Let's start with the one sunflower, the biggest one. So we need yellow, we need deep yellow. This is optional. If you don't have, don't worry. Don't worry. I see your hearts are flowing, so you are liking it. Thank you. There is a really a good story, because Van Gogh painted 2100 paintings in his life, and he died at very early age, at 38 years, I suppose. 1850s he died. So most of the painting he painted in last 2 years of his life. And you must, all of you must watch the movie Lust of Life, or it is on the Netflix or Amazon Prime. There is a movie called Loving Vincent. The painting is made with the painting, the film is made with the paintings. Film is made, and 100 artists worked for that painting. So we have all the colors with us. I took lemon yellow, deep yellow, orange, ochre yellow. If you don't have ochre yellow, don't worry. If you don't have orange, any 2-3 shades of yellow is fine. You can create your own version of painting. Now we'll start painting. If you are doing with the earbud, you can do the strokes with the earbuds. So we have to do the strokes in this direction where the petals are going. So first doing with the, see my flower is little smaller. Those who are using earbuds should draw bigger flower, and the kids can draw only one sunflower, the smaller kids. So I am using brush. With the brush you can give strokes. The small strokes. So again I am doing it. So we have to create we have to fill up all the petals of one sunflower with small strokes. I'm not taking direct orange, I'm taking orange either with ochre yellow or with yellow for the little darker strokes at the beginning and at the corner. So this is done with the small strokes. So here you don't have to worry about your perfection, but the direction of the strokes are important. You should not leave white space anywhere. Draw small strokes and fill up the dark. One side you can make it little darker. This way we can fill up the flower. We can take all the paints one by one. We have to take little paint more, because Van Gogh was he was not having patience to paint his sunflower, his paintings with very much with the patience. So he used to do directly with the tubes. He used to paint directly from his tubes. You can see the strokes. If you see his painting, you can see the powerful, vibrant strokes in his painting. His life was very sad, but after he died, he got fame, money, and name. Please watch movie Loving Vincent. So this is the style. He's one of the paintings. Starry Night is also beautiful and very famous. When you see very close, you see it is only the strokes or patchy work, but you see from little far away, you can see the full shape. So that is the fun of Impressionism. So we are creating impression. I hope all of you are doing it, or not now, then afterwards you will try this pattern, try this style, and you will enjoy. I am sure you will enjoy and you will create a beautiful painting. Only you have to keep in mind the strokes. Now here it will go upside. The stroke should be in the direction of the painting. So that we have to be careful. We have to take little more paint. If you have tube colors, you can use tube colors. Those are thick. If you want to do with the earbuds, you can. Because of school, many students are doing after the sessions, so I always put it on the IGTV. And thank you for all your appreciation, because there are number of online art sessions are there now. So many people are doing it, but you all are appreciating it, so it gives me I want to motivation that I want to do these art sessions. And art means practice. See, in music also you need to practice. Anything you want to be master, you have to keep on practicing. So please practice whatever you learn, or not only one painting be making with me, then you have to keep on doing it in other style. Here my main motto is, we all are so habituated with the copy work. So here my main motto is to, you should try to create on your own. Last time I showed you mini mandalas with the pizza style mini mandalas, and I was really happy because everyone's design was different. Everyone created their own patterns. They were not needed to do, to see anyone's work or any inspiration. They created on their own. So that is the fun. Because now, because of the Google, everything is available. So here I am giving little depthness with the orange color. We can do this later also, after making the sunflower also. So it is so important to practice. You can see the reference and you can do it. There are so many references are available on Pinterest, Google, but keep on doing it. So many of you have become really good and developed interest in art. So that is amazing. So again, coming to Van Gogh, he was a Dutch painter, and there are his many famous painting. One is a painting of a chair, and apple tree painting. You all can Google now. I'm sure you all will Google on Google. And please watch the movie Loving Vincent. The full movie is made with Impressionism. All it is with the movies made with the paintings. So these are the strokes we are creating. Your hand should not be you don't have to be very steady with your painting. More the vibrancy, more the fun. But direction, wherever your pencil lines goes, in that direction your stroke should go. That is the important part. Many of school has started, but schools are not for full time, so kids also can do it and share with me. Now people are not very much sharing. You all are not sharing much drawings. And our workshops are also going really well, and online classes are also going really well. Thank you so much for your love and trust. Now this is one flower is done. Let's do the another one. So in this also the direction is important. You can take one by one whatever colors you have. Not necessarily you have to paint yellow color. You have another colors, you can paint another flowers with the same technique. And this will go up the strokes. I am showing you all the work now. Really you need a time and you have to do with the patience. Initially we did all quick drawings, but now with me you all have also become little bit good and your works are also good, so I thought let's do something. So not necessarily you have to send me your work today, because it will take time, because you can't finish it in one stroke. This is a longer time consuming painting. So all the direction you must be seeing going out. We are not leaving any white space anywhere. So these are two flowers we are done. So let's finish inside part also now. So I am first taking olive green. The corners are with olive green. I am allowing little bit to come on the petals. You can do this with the earbud also. After green, I'll be taking little brown. Never ever forget to wear apron when you are using acrylics, because I have spoiled my many clothes because of the acrylic paints in my studio. So we all have to wear this apron when you use acrylic paints. Now I will clean my brush. We should have one old cloth handy. Now ochre yellow dots. And in the center again lemon yellow. So the one sunflower is done. Now we need to separate these petals, so we need one color. So I am taking orange and ochre yellow, mixing little bit, and then I am doing one line one side to show the shadow. Little water. Generally we don't use in the bottle acrylic paints, not needed. We are differentiating petals little bit. So there is one small petal which I will be coloring with the same technique only. So we are doing it little darker from the corner. So we are done with the flower. So same way we'll do another flower. First olive green. This is a sap green in a bottle which we get in a full pack. Then I am taking little brown. Then I am taking ochre yellow and little bit of yellow. And we'll take little darker color to make the little difference between the petals. So this way we have to complete all the sunflowers. There are two more sunflowers and the leaves. I'll show you leaves now. For the leaf, I'm taking dark green first. So I'm filling it up, the dark green I'm filling it up first, and then I'm taking lemon yellow. Again the strokes, but see the direction. The direction is really important. You can't do this way or another way. You have to go in the direction where the lines are going, when your drawing is going. The same way another leaf also we can do. I am not washing my brush, or I am not dipping into the water, because I want thick paints. I don't want very thin paints. I'm just washing it with the wet cloth. Now these leaves, which I have made very thin, are the petals behind the sunflower. So I am doing it thin, and there is no impressionism in those. So I can do some more also here. We have to still paint more sunflowers, but I'll first show you the background, how to do it. For the background we'll use earbuds. I'm putting one dot of blue, one drop of blue, and one drop of white, two drops of white. I'll take earbuds and I am going to do impressionism. I am spreading it up and down, and again here also we need strokes coming up and down. I am rolling my earbud also round, so I am using all the paints all over from the earbuds. This is the background we can create this way. You can complete this. When you come closer to the sunflower, you can use thin brush. I am using only white and blue here with the small strokes. And when it is coming closer, I am using white. I am using the brush. So this way we can fill up the background. You can paint the background once your sunflowers are dry. So this way we have to create the background. I am showing you little sample, so you can complete your drawing, and I will share my completed work with you. So for this, the background we can use, this is limited palette. So here also for the down background we are doing the horizontal strokes. Above background we used vertical strokes. After this we can use some of the yellow for the strokes. Because if I'll show you full, it will take at least 3 hours, 2.5 hours it will take. So, and I don't want to do every time, easy drawing or little bit drawing. So there I am showing you the technique. I'll send my work on the story, or I will show you right now, so you can take a screenshot and then you can paint it. So this way the background we can create. So this is the way we can create the background. And for the vase we can take ochre yellow and lemon yellow. First we can fill it up, the color, and then we can do with the strokes. This way. First we can color ochre yellow, and then we can do the strokes with lemon yellow. And the strokes with the lemon. base, and then deep yellow and yellow. This way we have to do the bars. And down with the white. Today after this I'll come live, so those who want to have a chat or they want to tell me what they want to learn. So here I'm taking more white. The base and little bit of deep yellow. So I am coming live after this lesson. I've just shown you the sample how to do it, all the parts, so all of you can finish this on your own space, because it will take 2 hours maybe to complete the work, or more than that maybe. This corner will be little dark here, one side I am doing it. So we are done with the jar also. So now the sunflowers and leaves and the background has left. So all of you can complete. I have shown you the guidance, I have given you the guidance, and it will look like this. This is the half done and this is the full done work. Here I have given little white highlight after it is done. So all of you can see how the final product will look. This is impressionism you all have done. So all of you can take your screenshot if you wish. This is done with the impressionism, and I'll be coming live after the session. So I have shown you the flower technique and the leaves, the background and the vase. So you have to complete these 2 flowers and 2 leaves and the background. So we have done today. Hope all of you have enjoyed today's work. It was little serious and I had to focus on the strokes. I am waiting for your all work, and don't forget to watch the movie Loving Vincent. And Jill, hope all of you have liked. And yes, and I am waiting for your work. Please keep on sending me your work. And I am coming live after this 2 minutes. We will post this video on IGTV, so whenever you want you can paint it. And I am coming live on again to talk to you, some of you, and then I want to see your feedback and I want to know what you want to learn next. So see you. Bye. Take care. Hope all of you have enjoyed. Bye. Keep on painting. See you.